Once upon a time, in a cozy town, there was a magical bookshop named Whimsical Pages. The shopkeeper, Mrs. Thompson, had a secret. Some of the books in her store were enchanted and could transport readers into the stories. One day, two curious friends, Jane and Lily, entered Whimsical Pages. They browsed the shelves filled with books of all shapes and sizes. Suddenly, a mysterious book caught their attention. It glowed softly, as if whispering an invitation. Intrigued, Jane and Lily opened the book and, to their astonishment, were pulled into a world of adventure. They found themselves in a bustling medieval marketplace with knights, jesters, and magical creatures. As they explored, they met a friendly dragon named Spark, who offered to guide them on a quest to find the legendary Crystal of Imagination. It was said to grant wishes to those with pure hearts. Together with Spark, Jane and Lily navigated through enchanted forests, crossed sparkling rivers, and solved riddles from mischievous fairies. Along the way, they discovered the power of teamwork and the joy of embracing the unknown. Their journey led them to the Crystal of Imagination, shimmering in a hidden cave. Jane and Lily made wishes that echoed with laughter and dreams. The crystal sparkled, granting their wishes and filling the cave with a warm, magical glow. With their hearts full of gratitude, Jane and Lily found themselves back in Whimsical Pages, the enchanted book now resting on the shelf. Mrs. Thompson smiled, knowing they had experienced a magical adventure. As Jane and Lily left the bookshop, they felt a newfound appreciation for imagination and the wonders that stories could unfold. Whimsical Pages had given them more than just a tale. It had gifted them with a magical journey they would cherish forever.